So students, let's learn question first of exercise 6.2. Chapter is lines and angle. So question first is in figure 6.28. This is given figure. Find the values of x and y. Where is angle x? Angle x is here and angle y is here. And then show that AB is parallel to CD. Where is line AB? This is line AB and this is line CD. So we have to find the values of angle X and angle Y, and also we have to prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. So first of all, note here in this question that these two lines are not given as parallel lines. These are normal lines. AB and CD are just two lines. Okay. This is line AB. This is line CD. And this is a transversal line. Okay. And you know very well that if two lines are here and one is a transversal line, so these two angles are forming a linear pair, and linear pair are supplementary. That means the sum of these two angles is 180 degree because these are linear pair and these angles are made on a line. So you observe that angle here given it is 50 degree. One angle is given as 50 degree. Now you know that 50 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree, and reason is linear pair. Okay, understand? X plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree, and that will give you 130 degree. So the value of x is 130 degree. Okay, I am writing here 130 degree. Now come to the next point. Next point is we have to find the value of now y. Where is y? Y is here. Now you see that it is 130 degree and it is 130 degree. AB and CD, I am drawing again AB, CD, and this is a transversal line. This angle is 130 degree and this angle is also given to be 130 degree, and you observe that these two angles are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of transversal line, and if one is below the parallel line, then other must be also below the parallel line. So if these two angles are corresponding angles and corresponding angles are always equal, then by the converse of corresponding angles theorem, which states that converse of corresponding angles axiom, it says that if two corresponding, if a transversal line cuts two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel to each other. This is converse of corresponding angles theorem, that says that if two angles are corresponding angles and these two angles are equal and it is a transversal line and it is intersecting two lines, then by this converse these two lines must be parallel to each other. So by the converse of corresponding axiom theorem, we can say that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. By reason is by converse of corresponding Engel's theorem or axiom. Okay, now next part is we have to find the value of y, and you observe that if two lines are parallel lines, this is a transversal line, so this relationship or this pair is vertically opposite angles. These two angles are vertically opposite angles, and you know very well that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So if it is 130 degree, then y will be equal to 130 degree, and reason is vertically opposite angles. Okay, so what we have done, first we find the value of x by linear pair, and if this is 130 degree, this is 130 degree, and we know by the converse of corresponding angles theorem that if corresponding angles are equal and there is a transversal line, then these two lines must be parallel. So we have proved that AB is parallel to CD. Now next and the last part is we have to find the value of y, and if these two lines are parallel and it is a transversal line, then these pair are making vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So the value of y is 130 degree, value of x is 130 degree.